Good morning, all of you. How are you? Students, am I audible to you? Okay. Now all of you open your EVS copy, okay? Tomorrow your EVS exam. And now all of you open your EVS copy. Okay. Today I will revise your topic, okay? Tick the correct options. Okay? Number 1. Tick the correct options. And students, all of you mute your microphone and open your EVS copy. Write down quickly. Juice is a dash food. Juice is a dash food, that is fast, cooked or uncooked. Okay? Fast, cooked or uncooked food. Number 2. We should eat is the part of a plant. It is the part of a plant. Tail, eye and birds. Okay. Next, number 3. Which will contain the most water? That is glass, jug, bucket. Leaves of these plants plant is used to make colorful to make colorful design on our hands. Okay? Leaves of this plant is used to make colorful designs on our hand. The options are neem, mehendi, 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 and tulsi. Next, number 5. These things that are eaten raw. Okay, things that are eaten raw. Cucumber. Okay, cucumber. First I write down here. Tomato, cucumber, tomato, onion, cucumber, tomato, onion and all. Okay. Next, number 6. Most healthy method is roasting, boiling and frying. Next, number 7. Slow and steady is my pace. Slow and students, mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, all of you. Mute your microphone. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. I always win the race. Options are tortoise, rabbit and frog. Okay. So number 1, juice is a dash food, fast, cooked or uncooked. Yes, very good. Juice is a uncooked food. Okay. Next, number 2. It is the part of a plant. Tail, eyes or buds. Right answer is buds. Yes, buds is the part of a plant. Next, number 3. Which will contain the most water? Glass, jug or bucket? Which will contain the most water? Glass, jug and bucket. Right answer is bucket. Okay. Any problem? Write down in your chat box. Number 2. It is the part of a plant. Tail, eye or buds. 3 options. Tail, eye or buds. Right answer is buds. Buds is the part of a plant. Next, number 3. Which will contain the most water? Glass, jug or bucket? Right answer is bucket. Bucket will contain the most water. Okay. Next, number 4. Leaves of this plant is used to make colorful design on our hand. Neem, mehendi and tulsi. Yes, very good. Mehendi. Leaves of this plant is used to make colorful design on our hand. That is neem, mehendi or tulsi. That is mehendi. Next, number 5. Things that are eaten raw: cucumber, tomato, onion and all. Things that are eaten raw: cucumber, tomato, onion, all of these. Right answer is all. Because onion, cucumber, tomato both are eaten raw. Next, number 6. Most healthy method is roasting. Yes, very good. Most healthy method is roasting, boiling or frying. Right answer is boiling. Very good, boiling. Number 7. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. Tortoise, rabbit and frog. Yes, Daksha, tortoise. Very good. Tortoise. Tortoise. So slow. 7. Okay. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. Options are tortoise, 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 rabbit, 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 and frog, Frog, frog. Okay. Tortoise, rabbit and frog. Okay. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. Tortoise, rabbit or frog. That is tortoise. Okay, completed. Then I erase the board. Okay, next question. Students, mute your microphone and any answer write down in your chat box. Okay. Number 1. Which which animal which animal students mute your microphone. Which animal has a tail? Which animal has a tail? Monkey, oh sorry, monkey, frog or snake? Next, number 2. Next, number 2. This animal have 4 eyesight. 4 eyesights. This animal had their 4 eyesights: rat, eagle and dog. Next, number 3. Who taught cycling? cycling, cycling to Anwari and her cousins. Her uncle, her aunt, her friends. Next, number 4. Tall and strong plants are called shrubs, herbs, or trees. Number 5. Which which is our first school? Which is our first school? Very good. Which is our first school? Family, city, or garden? Number 6. Number 6. This food is deep fried. Which this food is deep fried? Chapatis, CHAPA, chapatis, puris, or rice. Okay? Next, number 7. Number 7. Which one is medicinal plant? Tulsi, neem, pudina, and all of this. Okay? So next answer. Number 1. Which animal has a tail? Monkey, frog, or snake? Which animal? Frog. Which animal has a tail? Monkey. Yes, monkey. Monkey has a tail. Okay. Next, number 2. This animal have 4 eyesights. Rat, eagle, and dog. Right answer is? Yes, very good. Rat. Rat. This animal have 4 eyesights. Rat, eagle, and dog. That is rat. Next, number 3. Who taught cycling to Anuari and her cousins, her uncle, her aunt, her friends? That is her uncle. Yes, very good. Very good. Write down in your chat box, okay? Mute your microphone. Okay, very good. Her uncle. So, her uncle who taught cycling to Anwari and her cousins? Answer is her uncle. Next, number 4. Tall and strong plants are called shrubs, herbs, or trees. Yes, Daksha, trees. Then Anushka, very good, trees. Don't comment in microphone, write down in your chat box. Fatima, trees. Okay, very good. Diksha also, very good. 3. Okay. So tall and strong plants are called trees. tall and strong plants are called trees. Next, number 5. Which is our first school? We see also tree, very good. Family, yes, very good. Family, Oishi, Divyanka, Anushka, very good. Okay. So, which is our first school? That is family. Number 6, Fatima also. Okay, very good. Oishi. Okay. Next, number 6. This food is deep fried. Chapati, puris and rice. Very good. Puri. Okay. That is puri. Puri is deep fried. Number 7. Number 7. Which one is medicinal plant? Tulsi, neem, pudina and all of this. Tulsi, neem, pudina and all of this. That is all of this. Tulsi, neem, pudina both are medicinal plant. So right answer is all of this. Okay. So this work you revised in your copy. Okay. And you also know your term 1 syllabus. Then I repeat again. Poonam's day out, the plant fairy, watered, oh water, our first school, Chotu's house, foods we eat, what is cooking. Poonam's day out, the plant fairy, watered, oh water, our first school, Chotu's house, foods we eat and what is cooking. Okay. And best of luck for your EVS exam is tomorrow. Completed. Tick the correct options. Completed, students. All of you completed your work. Okay. So now time is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.